Hey, what's up guys? It's Jason with Buddha Farms coming to you Tuesday, March 27th, 2018. As you can see behind me, I'm standing next to one of my many compost piles. It's the horse manure that the neighbor just came and said, hey, I got some horse manure for you. Funny story, you can check out the past video I had over there for that. But anyway, this is one of the original piles. It's coming on almost 2 months now, so it's been cooking pretty good. It's still cooking right now. Thermometer's reading 130, and it's nice and warm. You know, it's going through its process. It's breaking down. It's looking good. I would guess, I'm no expert on this, but I would guess I have another month or so. But what I'm going to go ahead and do today is turn all of these piles I have, because in a day or two we're about to get a lot of rain. I think Thursday coming. We'll have a lot of rain coming through. It's just going to make it really hard to try to turn these. I just use the tractor, but that makes it easy. All I have is a box plate on the back of it that I push it over, kind of turn it back in onto itself and keep it cooking, keeping the temperature up, keeping that bacteria and everything working, doing what it's supposed to do. But again, when it's raining or after it's rained, it gets really sloppy, hard to get around. So I'm gonna go ahead and take y'all over. Y'all can see what I do with it, with the tractor, how it makes it a little easier than lifting it, shoveling this stuff over. I've already shoveled out the trailer once. I don't want to keep doing that. So I just use a tractor, and makes everything a lot easier. All right guys, that's pretty much the gist of it. Not much to it. Flipping it over, you can see that my tractor, I don't know if you could tell, but the tractor slips even just a little bit, just from the muck around the piles. So if it's wet, it's going to be a lot harder to do it. So I'm glad I got it out the way. Also, didn't know if you noticed that it steams. It's hot in there. It's about 130, 140 degrees in some spots, and you can tell when I'm moving it around, that stuff's steaming, working real nice. So keep that going. I'm hoping I keep getting those loads from the guy. He keeps calling me saying, hey, come get my stuff. I'll be there. So I need that on the garden just to help get that organic matter, that good bacteria, all that good stuff that those plants need. All right guys, thanks for following. Talk to y'all later.